Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix profile picture problem on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and lastly, right here you're gonna find your profile section. So first of all, go to your profile section and then right here, you're going to find two options, edit profile and also share profile. So go ahead and click on edit profile. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to change your name, your username, add pronouns, add a bio, add a link, banners. You can also choose your gender and so on. And then as you can see guys here in the top, you're going to find two options, edit picture or edit avatar. So go ahead and click on this option. And then here you can choose a new profile picture or you can import your profile picture from Facebook if you have a Facebook account. Also, you can go to avatar and then you can create an avatar for you on Instagram. So basically, guys, if you're trying to upload a profile picture and it doesn't work or it doesn't want to upload, then go to Play Store or App Store, depending on which phone you have. And then once you're here, go to the search section and then click on the search bar and search for Instagram. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Instagram. And then here you should find two options, uninstall and also update. So if you find the update available, make sure you click on update and then wait for the update to finish. And once the update is finished, go ahead and open Instagram again and it should be working fine. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.